Hello everyone, and welcome to this fun crochet tutorial. Today we're making an adorable coaster, perfect for adding a cute touch to your home or gifting to a friend. These coasters are not only practical for protecting your surfaces, but also a great way to practice your crochet skills. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll guide you step by step. You've got this. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more cozy projects. Let's get started. We'll begin by making the ears. You'll need 2 of these. They're quick and simple, so let's dive in. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Work 6 single crochets into the magic ring, then pull the tail to close it up. That's it, 6 single crochets total. Great job getting started. Tip: keep your tension even so the ring closes neatly. Next, for round 2, we're increasing. Work 6 increases, that's 2 single crochets in each stitch from the previous round. You'll end up with 12 stitches. You're doing amazing already. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your first stitch. For rounds 3 through 8, just work 12 single crochets in each round. That's 1 single crochet in each stitch, nice and steady. You're building the shape perfectly, keep it up. Tip: count your stitches after each round to stay on track. Now that we've finished the ears, let's move on to the head of our coaster. This is where it starts to take shape. Exciting, right? Let's go. For round 9, we're starting fresh with 24 single crochets into a new magic ring. Work those 24 single crochets, then close the ring. You've got this, it's looking awesome. Tip: if a magic ring feels tricky, you can chain 2 and work into the first chain instead. Next, for round 10, we'll do a pattern. 3 single crochets, then an increase, and repeat that 6 times. You'll end with 30 stitches. You're making this coaster grow beautifully. Well done. Tip: mark your increases to keep the pattern even. For round 11, here's the next step. 2 single crochets and increase, then 2 more single crochets, and repeat that 6 times. You'll have 36 stitches by the end. Look at that progress. You're a crochet star. Tip: take your time with increases to avoid gaps. Moving to round 12, we'll do 5 single crochets, then an increase, repeating that 6 times. That brings us to 42 stitches. You're shaping this coaster like a pro. Keep going. Tip: check your stitch count here. It's easy to miss one. For rounds 13 through 18, work 42 single crochets in each round, 1 in each stitch. That's 6 rounds of steady stitching. You're in the groove now. It's looking fantastic. Tip: relax your hands to avoid tension buildup over these longer rounds. For round 19, we're decreasing. 5 single crochets, then a decrease, repeating that 6 times. You'll end with 36 stitches. You're doing great shaping it down, almost there. Tip: pull your decreases tight for a smooth finish. Next, for round 20, it's all decreases. Work 18 decreases total. That's 1 decrease in every pair of stitches, bringing us to 18 stitches. Wow, you're nailing this. Tip: use a smaller hook for decreases if it feels tricky. Before we close up, let's add some stuffing. Fill the head lightly, just enough to give it a little puff. You're making this so cute. Perfect job. For round 21, we'll do a single crochet, then a decrease, repeating that 6 times. You'll have 12 stitches left. You're so close now. Keep up the amazing work. Tip: use a stitch marker to stay on track as it gets smaller. Finally, for round 22, work 6 decreases, 1 in every pair of stitches. That closes it up with 6 stitches. You did it! What an adorable coaster. Tip: weave in the end securely to finish it off. Now, let's add some personality. Attach the eyes between rounds 13 and 15 with 7 stitches between them. Take your time placing them. You're bringing this coaster to life. Tip: use safety eyes or embroider them if you prefer a custom look. And there you have it, your very own crochet coaster. Isn't it just the cutest? I hope you had fun making this with me. If you love this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share your finished coasters with me. I love to see them. Thanks for crocheting along, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy hooking!